In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker to TradingView. By the end, you'll be ready to place trades directly from your TradingView charts with your existing brokerage account. First, open TradingView in your browser and head to any chart. You don't need a specific symbol, any chart will do. Make sure you're signed into your TradingView account so your connection saves and you can access it later. At the bottom of the chart, look for the trading panel. This is where all broker integrations live. Click it to expand the panel. Inside the trading panel, you'll see a list of supported brokers and platforms. To quickly find yours, click the search icon. This opens a small search field so you don't have to scroll through everything. Type your broker's name exactly as it appears officially. If your broker is supported, it should appear in the results. If you don't see it, it may not be integrated with TradingView yet, or it could be listed under a regional name. You can check your broker's support page to confirm compatibility. When you see your broker, select it. A connection card will open with a Connect button. Click. Connect. TradingView will launch a secure authentication window from your broker. This is normal. Your login happens with the broker, not with TradingView for security. In the broker's sign-in form, enter the email associated with your brokerage account, then enter your password. Double-check that you're on the official broker login page in a secure window, and never share your credentials with anyone. If your broker uses additional security, you may be prompted for verification. Just follow the on-screen prompts. After entering your email and password, click Connect or Log in on the broker's page to authorize the link. Give it a moment. When the connection succeeds, you'll see confirmation in TradingView, often along with your account name, balance, and status right in the trading panel. From here, you can access the order panel on the chart and execute trades using your broker's account while analyzing in TradingView. If you run into issues, verify your credentials are correct and that your broker account is active and enabled for platform connections. Some brokers require specific account types or region settings to use TradingView. Also, ensure any pop-up blockers are disabled for this step so the secure login window can open. That's it. Go to TradingView, open the trading panel, search and select your broker, click Connect, enter your email and password on the broker's secure page, and finish by clicking Connect. You're now set to trade directly from your charts.